Today we are going to draw a cloud clock hanging on a rainbow. We start by drawing a cloud. How do we draw a cloud? We draw a curve and another curve a little bit above, going in an oval shape, and we finally end the curve finishing a cloud. Now let's draw another small cloud on the right side, just a little behind our first cloud. And yet another one on the left side. Now we have 3 clouds here. Now let's draw a clock on the cloud in the center. Mark a 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, 3 on the right side, and 9 on the left side. Let's write the remaining numbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. So that's all the numbers on the clock. Next, we need to make the needles of the clock. This will be in the shape of 2 little raindrops. To make the cloud look a little cute, I think we should give them a face. So let's do that. Aren't they sweet that way? Now for the rainbow. The rainbow has got 7 colors. Let's make the arcs of the rainbow. Starting from the cloud on the left, the arc goes to make a curve and ends on the cloud at the right side. To fill the 7 colors of the rainbow, we need to draw 8 arcs. Now for the colors. Let's start by coloring the clouds. The clouds are blue in color. So let's do them on blue. go. 3 blue clouds are done. Now the rainbow colors. We start with violet in the innermost arc. Next, it is indigo. And then it is blue. Followed by green, the next one is yellow. Next is the orange color. And the last color now, it is red. Now we have a beautiful looking rainbow with all those colors. The 7 colors of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We are almost done. But before we finish, let's give a dark blue shade to the raindrop needles and a little more blue shades to the clouds, and that's going to get them to look cute. go! We just finished a cloud clock hanging on a rainbow. I hope you all had lots of fun doing the cloud clock rainbow. See you all soon again for more fun drawing with Frozendoll.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe Storytime with Frozendoll for more videos. Please leave your valuable comments and likes. Please share my videos with your friends. Thank you so much for all your support always.